Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with Beny Rabuchin with New American Funding. The loans are changing all the time. What is the least amount my clients can put down to buy a home?
Sure, good question. Fortunately, over the years, they've established a lot of programs that allow for very little down. For example, if you are a veteran, many of the programs, if qualified, you can put a little down to 0% down payment. For non-veterans, you're left with a conventional loan. Those types of loans, you can do a minimum down of 3%. Or FHA is another government-insured program that allows for a little down to 3.5%. All have different guidelines. Once you get pre-approved, then we decipher which one will be best suited for you.
Okay, great. Obviously, loan amount will change things, purchase price, that
Sure,
kind of thing.
sure, yes.
Okay, great. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Beny. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Please call us if you have any questions, and we can certainly connect you with Beny in terms of financing.